Yesterday we started revising very important questions from the view of examination, and as you all know, question number 1 and 2, which are the part of unseen passages, I have observed that most of you faced many problems, or most of you have lost many marks while solving these questions 1 and 2. So we can have a very good practice today with the help of many questions which are based on discursive passages. A file, a soft copy of these passages I have already shared in your 10th class WhatsApp group. But before we start solving the questions based on discursive passages, I would like to suggest few of the things which are very important whenever you have to solve unseen passages for your exam. So I hope you all will remember these points. If it is possible, you can even note them down, right? So first of all, passages must be read very carefully and thoroughly. Thoroughly means a complete reading of the given passage is very important. But while you are reading them, while you spend your time, while you invest your time for reading your passages, one thing always should be remembered, that this reading should be done in a very speedy manner. Speedy manner, or we can say quickly you should read for the first time. Second important point, while reading this unseen passages, you must focus on the relevant details. Relevant details means, first of all, you should try to understand what is the theme of the passage given. Every passage, whatever it is, factual or discursive, it is based on some theme, some central idea, right? So what you should do over here is, you should try to find out what is the message, what is the moral, what is the lesson we are going to get from the particular passage. Secondly, you should note down, you should keep a note of the relevant means related details, whatever is the main topic, central idea, to that whatever details are connected given in that passage, that you should underline with a pencil. Okay. And next important thing is, when you are done with the reading of your paper, unseen passage, the same time you should underline it with a pencil. And then most important point is, what is the target? What is the target means? Right now you can see over here the passage is given. Hopefully the screen is visible, ma'am? Yeah, okay. So here you can see what is the second target while solving the... It's not seen? Okay, just a minute, my dear student.
Which colors are blackish?
Okay.
No.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So, as I was telling you, first important thing, reading the passage quickly. Second thing, you should try to understand the central idea of the passage. Thirdly, you should underline the important details with a pencil. And the next important thing is, you should read what is the target. You should try to find out what is the target. Target means, what are the questions. So you should read all the questions. Then you can read the passage once again to get, this time you should read to get the answers, for finding out the answers from the passage, right? And hopefully within these two readings, one reading of the passage, second reading of the questions, you would be able to find out your answers. Now when you find out your answers, it is very important to write them down in your own words. It has been observed that most of the times what you people do is, you write down answers as those are given in the passage, which is of course not a good idea. So what you should do over here is, you should try to write down the answer in your own words. Now the biggest problem which most of you have been facing many times, because of the less vocabulary, or maybe the new words you don't get the meaning, or you find it difficult to choose the correct option, right? So what you can do over here is whatever questions, if those are given, if those are based on the vocabulary, what you can do is what options are given to you. From all those 4 options, you can fit it in that particular sentence from wherever that question word is picked up. Okay, question word means whatever question is based on the vocabulary, wherever that word is in whatever sentence, all the answers, options, whatever are given in the answers, that you can replace, and by replacing, if you get the exact meaning, yes, that's your answer. Hopefully this would be useful for you all. So okay, let's start with solving the passages whatever we have planned for today.